Hi, I'm Dani McClain. I'm the Cincinnati Library 2020 Writer-in-Residence. So I am a freelance reporter. I write for publications, both print and online, mostly national publications. I'm a contributing writer at The Nation magazine. And Cincinnati is my hometown. I've lived back here since 2015. And the Writer-in-Residence program just seemed like a great way to get connected to the local community in a meaningful way. The idea of being an ambassador of the library is an incredible opportunity, and it just seemed like a way to bring some of the skills that I've acquired over the years as a journalist and now as an author to the community. You know, I have memories of my mom bringing me to the library as a young child. I remember going to the main branch. I grew up on the east side of town, and the Madera branch was the branch that was closest to my home. And I just have very warm memories of coming to the library to check out books, or there would be, you know, storytelling or other activities, and coming here as a kid, and then as a teenager going to the library for research projects. You know, I think the library, the public libraries, are one of the few institutions left in society that they're really for everyone. They're free. I mean, you know, we pay through our tax dollars, and I'm happy to do that, but they're a great equalizer. You know, they're something that makes any question that you have, you can go to the library and look, seek out the answer to it, and that opportunity is available to everyone. So I really value just the role that libraries play in society, and being able to be connected to the library as a writer was very appealing to me. I'm so looking forward to really the workshops, and I mean all of the pieces of the residency, the blogging and the podcasting and all of that, but really the workshops and the opportunities to get to know more Cincinnatians who love the library as much as I do. I'm Dani McClain. I'm the Writer-in-Residence, and I hope to see you at the library.